solve the differential equation ODE, the ordinary differential equation, 1 plus x squared minus x bracket open 1 plus 2y bracket close y prime, that is the derivative, equals 0. It is a quadratic equation. Yes, because the highest term is x squared. But we are interested in a differential equation. A differential equation is any equation with an unknown function and its derivative. Okay, so quickly, this is one of example of a separable differential equation. So we can use a method of separation to solve this differential equation. So we can maintain this value here, that's 1 minus x squared. Then we try to group like terms. We try to make all the x terms stand alone and all the y terms stand alone. So in doing that, we can transform or transfer these variables or this equation to the right hand side, giving us this. Because here was negative, so when it crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. Now my 1 plus x square bracket close dx equals x bracket open 1 plus 2y bracket close dy. I did this because my y prime, this, my y prime, the arrow here showing the y prime, that's the derivative. It can be written as dy, it can be written as dy on dx. Can be written as dy on dx. So multiplying 2 by the dx, we obtain this equation. So hence we want to make all the x variables stand alone. So looking through this equation, we can, looking through these equations, this whole equation, we can multiply through the whole equation by 1 over x. So multiplying through, we are getting the x cancelling the x, leaving 1 plus 2y dy, and here too, because 1 over x is multiplying, the x will divide, so it becomes the denominator. This implies taking the integral to both sides of the equation, the left and the right side of the equation, taking the integral from the left and the right side of the equation, we are getting integral 1 plus x squared over x dx equals integral 1 plus 2y dy. Without much ado, my 1 plus x squared is dividing x. So this can be written as 1 over x plus x squared over 1. And the x can go into x squared 1. So leaving us this. Therefore, our final solution will be the integral of the left hand side and the integral of the right hand side. We know that when we integrate 1 over x, we are getting ln x because it's a function and its derivative. And when we integrate x, we are getting x squared on 2. When we integrate a constant 1, we are getting y. And when we integrate 2y, we are getting y squared on 2, giving us this equation. Remember, this is our general solution. This is our general solution for the differential equation 1 plus x squared minus x bracket open 1 plus 2y bracket close y prime equals 0. Thank you very much. Please help and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you once again.